Hi, you guys. Welcome back. My name is Carrie Penny. I am the Happy Crafty Homemaker, and today I'm here to wish you guys a very Merry Christmas. I hope that each and every one of you today are surrounded by your loved ones, having a wonderful, warm, happy holidays. And I know hopefully by the time you guys are seeing this, we will have finished our family dinner. The entire family is coming over today. So hopefully we will have finished our dinner and be sitting in the living room enjoying coffee and desserts when this goes live. So it is also the perfect time for me to share with you guys the finale of Project Christmas Blanket. Since you guys have been with me through this entire journey this year, derailment of all my other plans for the entire year crafty wise, I did want to make sure that I shared with you guys a final recap with some pictures and information about the blankets. So sit back, enjoy the blankets. I'll do some voiceover maybe, and there'll be some stuff on the screen. We have some really bad pictures because we know I don't take good pictures. Plus, space where you can get overhead pictures of blankets in this house. Like, we have floor space. Don't get me wrong. This is a very large house. We also own a lot of stuff. So I actually had to do everything across the hall in the frog. So like there's an amplifier and stuff like in all the visual space. Like I couldn't cut the sofa, the amplifier, and everything else out, but it is what it is. I'm not here for my photography skills at all. But I did get pictures of everything laid out so you can see how everything looked when it's finally steamed and everything. Well, it looks like my blister popped, but I did catch myself with the steamer again and gave myself another owie. So I don't know why I burn myself on that every single time I use it, but it is what it is. So I got everybody steamed, everybody's wrapped up, everybody's ready to go. So after the big gifts are distributed and everything, I will pull those out and hand those out individually. So anyway, I love you guys. Once again, a very Merry Christmas to you all. And I cannot wait to see you guys in the new year. So we are not going to judge the rest of my guest room because it's being used for storage. But as I'm getting ready to start blocking, seeing who needs blocking, seeing what needs steaming, taking final pictures and everything, I did want to show you the chair. Oh, blankets. So you can see like the lemon peel, the dragonfly, that's part of the Nickelodeon Hexie. That's the plain corner to corner. The kaleidoscope Hexie. You can see the solid granny. The final corner to corner scarf. The only one I think you can't see. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Ooh, there are a couple you can't see in here. Oh, you can't see the quilt. The black and green granny square. We can kind of see the quilt corner right there and right there. There's one more in there missing. Yeah, this is a tiny little club chair. This isn't like a huge chair here, but yeah, there's the arm of the chair. The back is like right here. So I am going to get to making these look nice and we can go through the finale of Project Christmas Blanket that has absorbed my entire 2025. Okay, you guys, so this is the last blanket that I did. This is done in 5 strips, corner to corner. We did 6 stripes of the background color, 3 stripes of the garnet. This is using Hirschner's worsted in wine gray, gunmetal gray, and black. I have a new edging here that I did. I will be doing a tutorial on this, hopefully in the next 2 weeks, just depending on what the scheduling looks like. This is another strip-based blanket. This one I used the Addy King to make the strips. I have a tutorial for how I joined these here on the channel. I did a basic shell border to come around the outside. This is using Red Heart Soft in boysenberry and off-white. I did not get a good picture here. This is what I'm calling the Nickelodeon hexagon. I do have a tutorial for making this blanket here on the channel. This is using Hirschner's worsted in lime blaze, gunmetal, and sea spray. So these are just large hexagons. I love how this turned out. It just screams to me 1990s Nickelodeon. I do wish I'd done 5 colors instead of 4 just to get a different distribution of color. This is a basic granny square using lime, gunmetal, black, and green Hirschner's worsted. Love how this turned out. Accidental Slytherin blanket. So this was one of the Catalyst blankets. This is a quilt I designed myself. I do have a tutorial on how I did the 3x3 9-patch squares. I did a basic shell border. This is all in Premier Basics. I can't remember all of the color names, but there's taupe, ballet, salmon. I tried to coordinate more orange tone pinks for the shoe fly square and pink pinks for the 9-patch squares. This is the dragonfly blanket. I used Hirschner's puff pastry and macaron, as well as Karen cakes in rainbow sherbet for this blanket, and then it's joined in Karen cakes. I did steam this, but the blanket itself is so malleable. It's very hard to get it to lay out completely flat. This is a basic corner to corner blanket using a whole bunch of random blue and gray yarns, alternating blue and gray up through the blanket. I bordered this using a reverse single crochet, and these were leftovers from multiple projects, including this next blanket, which is the lemon peel stitch blanket. I did take a picture of it before I steamed it here. I forgot to get a picture after I steamed it, but it did block out to this where all the blocking combs are there. It is 60 by 90. This is holding 2 worsted weight yarns together, 1 blue, 1 gray, bordered once again using a reverse single crochet. This may be my favorite. This is the Kaleidoscope Hexie. So I only got this one picture of it. This is after I steamed it out. These are all scrap hexagons. I have a tutorial for this specific hexagon as well. I joined these using Lion Brand, Vanna's Choice in linen. And this is just so mind-boggling dynamic. I love this blanket. This is a solid granny square blanket. This is using Knit Picks Brava in Solstice Heather, Denim, Toffee, or Big Twist and Toffee, and I cannot remember the light brown color name. This one gives me like this weird magic eye kind of effect for some reason. I absolutely love it. And here's everybody bundled up, stacked up. I have the kids' blankets in one and the adults' blankets in the next one. So Merry Christmas, you guys. I love you, and I hope that you all have a wonderful, magical holiday season. I will see you again real soon. Please take care of yourselves. I love you guys.